Good morning, and it's a beautiful morning. I think summer's definitely arrived. It's an absolutely glorious morning, mainly blue sky, lots of sunshine, and according to the weather forecast, it's going to be up to 25 degrees today. So yeah, absolutely amazing. I'm back on the farm. Yeah, just taking it easy and relaxing. I'm back and just chill this afternoon, enjoy this wonderful sunshine. See if I can top up the tan a little bit. So yeah, catch you later. Wow, it's just been a superb day today. Really hot. It's been up to 25 degrees according to the weather forecast, but it felt warm up at times. But it's now getting on towards the evening, and sun's going down a little bit, so it's nice and pleasant. And yeah, I've decided that I'm going to have a barbecue tonight. So yeah, I've got the barbie going. Leave that for another 20 minutes, half an hour until it gets nice and ready, and then I'll cook up some burgers and have some salad with it. Yeah, so yeah, life is good. It's been a good day, as I say. So this is the life. Beautiful evening. Got the burgers on, a glass of red wine. This is what van life's all about, folks. Wish you could join me, but bring the wine. So I'm here all alone, enjoying a very relaxing, quiet evening. Couldn't be better. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so good morning. Yeah, I'm off to the garage today. I've had a little bit of a problem with the control box on the motorhome. Effectively, all it means is if I need to go on electric hookup, I connect the power cable up to the motorhome, but then I don't get any electric within the van. And it seems to be a problem with the control box. So I contacted the garage and they've been really good. Actually, no problems at all. I had to order a new control box in from Sargent, who make it. So I'm going there this morning to get them to fit the new box, which hopefully will overcome the problem. I mean, to be perfectly honest, I rarely go on electric hookup because I tend to wildcat the vast majority of the time. Okay, so job done. Yeah, I took it into the garage. They was really friendly, really helpful. They were very good, and they put a brand new box in and a brand new control panel to go with it. So yeah, great. Over the moon with that. Everything's now working, so yeah, I'm good to go. Waking up to another glorious morning here. I'm slowly getting ready for my big trip to Ireland, the Wild Atlantic Way. It's a drive up the west coast of Ireland, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Made a few modifications, or upgrades I should say, one of which I've added an extra Gaslow refillable bottle. When I bought the motorhome, it had one bottle, which is the bottle that you see on the right hand side, which is the #1 bottle. I've now got two 11 kilo bottles with a manual changeover, which was fine, no problems at all. And obviously there's the external filler for me, so that makes life a lot easier and obviously a lot cheaper than buying bottle gas. I've just had a package delivered from Amazon. One of the things that I haven't got on the Moho is a reversing camera. There is a camera on the back of the van, but I think at some point it's obviously either broken or whatever. There's no monitor, and because I'm going away to Ireland at the end of this month, I really wanted to get something sorted. Let me show you what I've bought. Okay, so this is the package I've just received from Amazon, so let's open it together. As you can see, it's from a company called Vox, and basically it's a reversing camera kit. Okay, so what do we get? We get a possibility of extending the warranty to 18 months and getting technical support. We get the little user manual, and you notice on this, well, I said it was intriguing because this is a solar powered wireless backup camera kit. So yeah, I've never heard of one before, to be perfectly honest with you. But this is the camera. It's designed so it would actually fit over a number plate. So yeah, and there's also some double-sided sticky, so you could stick it on the back. So that's the camera, and then this is the monitor. It's only a tiny little monitor. It's what, 5 inches, 5¼ inches. Interesting. And what's in the accessories box? No doubt this will be the cables. That's it. Yeah, so basically there's a mounting point obviously for the monitor. There's a charging lead as well, and the reason for that is because the camera, although it's solar powered, it can actually be charged by USB as well. And then there's obviously another cable here. Have a look. Yeah, so basically this is the power lead. So as far as the monitor is concerned, you have obviously the lead that goes into the camera, into the monitor rather, and then that's just a cigarette lighter adapter for it. I'm sure it can't be that difficult to mount. Put this reversing camera on the back of the motorhome. It's quite an unusual one because it's solar powered. You basically just put the monitor, which plugs into a cigarette lighter in the front, stick this one on the back, and they communicate, and it's brilliant. Yeah, really good upgrade. This was if you like, a cheap fix, but it works very well. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. The other thing I'm going to fit, although I know summer's coming, but I'm going to fit a Chinese diesel heater in as well. Should be arriving today. I ordered it up on Amazon, and I want to get that fixed in if I can in the next few days. I've only got 17 days now until we actually leave to go up to Fishguard and take the ferry. So if I can get it fitted in next week, that'll be fine. Hopefully I won't need it, but just in case, it's always a backup heating supply should we need it. I mean, Irish weather is notorious for changing and having 4 seasons in one day, so maybe, who knows, but if it's fitted, I've got it. So yeah, that's another upgrade that I'm going to do. And the last job really was to try and fit a diesel heater, hoping I don't need it, but it's nice to have a backup just in case. So yeah, it got delivered, and yeah, I'll show you the mess that I'm making putting it in. So this is the base plate, which I've got to fit the heater to. I've had to drill a great big hole in the floor, and I've sealed it as they suggest you do. This is the actual heater. It's a 5 kilowatt one I'm putting in, and yeah, so that'll mount up there, and then I'll have the diesel tank. So this is a side cupboard basically, and the heater's going to go up on the top shelf there. My diesel tank, when it's fitted, will fit just there, so it should all be nice and neat. But yeah, it's a bit frightening cutting a 130mm hole in the floor of the motorhome, but yeah, it's all gone well so far. So I've mounted the heater here, as you can see. Still got to tidy up a little bit of the wiring at the back, but it's all installed and it's all working, which is really good. It certainly does the job. It doesn't take long to get the motorhome really up to a really comfortable temperature, so I'm well pleased with that. From that, just here you can see this is the fuel tank for the diesel heater. I've put it there because it's a little bit tucked away, but it's also handy because when I fill the car up or the van up with diesel, I can fill this one directly from the diesel pump as well. So yeah, it makes it really easy. The outlet I fitted for the diesel heater. So good morning. It's a lovely sunny morning. Such a vast difference from yesterday. Beginning of the week was roasting hot, lovely sunny days, beautiful. Yesterday was freezing, overcast and grey all day, but today the sun's come back, which is nice. This is my friend Roy, who I'm going off to Ireland with a couple of weeks' time, and he's having a repaint done on his Laker. And yeah, it's starting to look good. They've only done one coat on the dark grey at the front. I'll move a bit closer. So there's the dark grey. This is Roy in the dark clothing and Steve in the blue clothing. There you go, the boys at work. What can I tell you? They're getting on pretty well. They've done the dark grey, as they say. They're just finishing off doing the rubbing down. There's Roy passing by to do a little bit more. Come back later and see how they're getting on. This is my friend Roy's motorhome. He's coming with me on the trip to Ireland. He bought this one, it's a Laker, Italian one. and he bought this a couple of years ago. It's a 2007 model, and some of the paintwork was getting a little bit edgy, particularly around the front. So over the last few days, roller painted and done it in a nice sort of bluish grey with white panelling. Yeah, it's come out pretty well actually. He's quite pleased with it, which is the main thing. Yeah, super. Looks a lot better than it did, that's for sure. So I'll say he's quite happy. While we were painting Roy's van, I took the opportunity to use some of the special paint for the plastics, and I've actually repainted the grille, which makes it look a lot better. Mine was a bit dull and discoloured, so yeah, that's brightened it up no end. So with the upgrades and mods done, we're almost ready to go. We're going to set off from here on Friday, a couple of days time, and initially we're going to go south in order to go north, because we're going down to south a little bit to meet up with a couple of friends over the weekend for a few days, and then from there we'll make our way across country up into Wales to Fishguard, which is where we're going to take our ferry from. Got a ferry leaving at stupid o'clock in the morning, unfortunately, but it's a 01:30 in the morning ferry. It takes 4 hours. That will get us into Rosslare, and then we'll drive from there down towards Missenhead, which is the start of the Wild Atlantic Way. Really looking forward to it. I'm not quite sure how long it will take us, but you know, there's no time constraint, so we might be there for a month, we might be there for 2 months, we're not really sure, but we're both really looking forward to it, and yeah, can't wait to get there. Okay, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and by the time I get the next one up, we should be on our way up to Fishguard and our ferry to Ireland. So look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now. Cheers.